Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to solve TCS Proctored assessment of 25th January 2020. Okay, so here you can see the assessment. Okay, write a program to print the last character in a string. Okay, so and also here they have given example input as high TCS and output is. Okay, so here you can see there is a two word, one is high and then there is space and then it is TCS. So there is two word, so you have to print the last character of each word. Okay, and it I assume that the each word should be separated by space. Okay, so I am going to Eclipse. Okay, writing a Java code. So before writing the code, I am creating a new Java project. Okay, and give the project name that TCS PA. Okay, Proctored assessment, and then I am finishing it. So here you can see the TCS PA. I created Java project. So here inside the TCS PA you can see the src folder. So here I am creating a class. So right click on it and go to new, then click on class. Okay, and give the class name. You can give any class name, but first name should be the in capital letter. So I am giving the class name as print last character. Okay, print last char. Finish. So it will means good practice if you give the relevant class name what you are doing in the similar kind of means the relevant class name if you give, then this is a good programming practice. So inside there just write a main method. Okay, so public static void main string args. Okay, and then inside there you have to take a input from console. Okay, so to take input you can use the scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner. Okay, so I am creating a scanner class object and scanner class take the input from console. So console means the system input. Okay, so here you can write system dot in. Okay, so that means whatever you will write in the console, it will we can take that input using the scanner class. Okay, so you have to import the scanner class and it is in java.util package, so just import the java.util.scanner. Okay, here s should be capital, class name should be start with capital letter, and then just so the string you have to save in a string variable. Okay, so declare a string variable. String is equal to, then the line whatever you have given into the console you have to take as an input. Okay, so then next sc dot next line. Okay, so using scanner class you can take a input from console. Okay, and here in the beginning you can give some message that enter a string here. Okay, system.out.println. Inside here you can give a message like enter a string. Okay, so it will show you in the console, you can see this one, and then you can give the input, and that input scanner class will take that input and store in the string variable. Okay, then you have to write the logic that will give the last character of each word. Okay, so for that here you can means class the purpose of the class scanner class is done, so you can close this sc dot close. Okay, so you can close the scanner class object, and then you can you have to split the string. Okay, so whatever you have given here, you can see I have given the string as a high TCS. So high is a word and TCS is a word, so you have to separate these two words. So to separate this word, you can use the split method. Okay, string class provide you the built-in functionality split, so you can use that, and it will give means return you two string. Okay, so you have to declare some string array. Okay, so for that string, I'm declaring a string array. You can give any name here. So I am giving the string here equal to s dot split. Okay, and in I am splitting with help of space, because I assume that the word is separated by space. Okay, so I am splitting the whole string and stored the every character in a string array. Okay, and then for each, and so I have to means mm, print I have to print all the last character of all word. Okay, so for that you have to write a for loop. Okay, so for I equal to for int I equal to 0 and I less than, so how many times the loop will iterate, that is the array length. Okay, so means how many word is there. Okay, in the given input string how many word is there, so according to that your loop for loop will iterate. Okay, that much time, and then I plus plus. Okay, so I'm iterating this loop, and then you have to print each character. So that means if, okay, I will describe means first I write the code and then I will describe how it will work. Okay, then I am printing the last character. So to print the last character, what I will do, I have to take the every character in stored in the array. So arr I, then you have to print the last character. Okay, that means char at. Okay, and what should be the index? Index should be the length of array I, means what is the length, and it is the last character, so length minus 1. Okay, so arr I minus sorry dot length minus 1. Okay, so this should print the last character. So if I execute this code, okay, so if I run the code, here you can see in the console you can see enter a string. Okay, so just give the same string hi TCS. Okay, and if you enter here you can see I and S is showing. So how it will work, so if you go here, so I have given the string hi TCS. Okay, so there is a two word, so I am splitting s dot split. Okay, so first scanner class will take the input from the console. So while I am giving the input as hi TCS, so scanner class will take the input, and that input I am storing in the string s. Okay, string s equal to s dot next line. So in the string s high TCS will be stored. Okay, then I am closing the sc dot close, and then what I am doing, I am splitting the whole string into separate word which is separated by space. Okay, so for that I am using string array. Okay, and s dot split, there is a means I am passing space as a parameter. So while it will means when it get any space, it will separate two word and stored in the array. So currently in the arr array there is two word, one is high and another is TCS. Okay, so then I am running this for loop. So for I int I equal to 0 and then I less than equal to arr dot length. So there is two word in the arr. Okay, so that means the length of the arr is 2. Okay, and then I am printing arr I, that means array 0. Then so what arr is now containing? Arr is containing two things, one is high and another is TCS. Okay, and then what I am doing, arr I, initially I value of the I is 0, so arr 0 means high, and char at array I means index of 0, that means high, dot length, length of the high is 2 minus 1, so that means array of 1. Okay, index of 1, so arr 0, in the arr 0 there is a 2 character, and I am printing the char at arr I minus length minus 1, so that means the length is 2, so 2 minus 1 is, so for high, writing here high, so arr 0 containing high, here if I am writing here arr 0 is containing high and arr 1 contains TCS. Okay, so in the next part what I am doing, I am printing the char at arr I dot length minus 1, so length of arr 0 is 2, length equal to 2, and here length equal to 3. Okay, so I am printing char at 2 minus 1, that means 0, so char at 0 means, so h is in 0th position and I is in 1th position, so I am trying to print arr I dot length minus 1, that means 2 minus 1, that is 1, so I am printing the um, character at index 1, so at index 1, so h is a index 0 and I is a index 1, so it will print I. Okay, and in the next part arr1, while value of I is 1, then the string word is TCS. Okay, so length is 3, so it will print the char at length minus 1, that means 2, so T is an index 0, C is an index 1 and S is an index 2, so it will print the S. Okay, so index 2 value. So it is a simple program, and hope you can understand this program. So I have already given the previous assessment. Okay, and you can see the link in the description box, so you can watch all these videos, and also subscribe my channel to get the notification of the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.